Hi everybody, Brian at Custom Classics. Here behind me today is a beautiful 40 Ford Street Rod. Somebody did an amazing job on this one, and I'm going to run through it with you here and give you a bunch of the highlights on this car. This one is a Wild Rides body, nice fiberglass body, really a nice kit, very well done. I love the suicide doors with the shaved handles. Just makes for a classy, clean look. The other highlight on this car, it's got a rod tops convertible top mechanism. With one quick pull behind you, you flip the top up, you can have that black convertible top snapped up in place in no time. So Lord forbid you get caught out in the rain, or it's just hot and you're on your way home from a car show, you can put that top up, roll the windows up, and turn on the AC. So again, a lot of fun stuff on this car, power windows, power steering. Let's kind of run through the performance stuff and the frame, and I'll give you some of the other specs on it. And anything else that I missed, there is a beautiful manual on this car that's all organized, which you know how it goes. Sometimes you get a car and you get nothing, other times you get a nice booklet. So let's run through this thing. The powertrain, it's an LS1 that is got a nice SSI intake manifold. That's a performance intake made by BBK. That helps a little bit. It's also got an aluminum Walker radiator with electric cooling fans. The car's wired with a Ron Francis wiring kit, and it has a Art Morrison chassis underneath it that's been hammer coated, which is really cool. You'll see in our photos on that. They did a nice job, very classy touch. It has a beautiful stainless steel exhaust system all the way through with Flowmaster muffler. Not only does it look nice, it's got that good rumble to it as well. The trans on this thing is a 4L69E, and the power goes to the ground with a Ford 9-inch and 350 gears. So that's matched up really nice with the Falcon tires. You've got 20-inch in the rear with some nice billet aluminum polished wheels, and you've got 17 inches on the front. On the inside, she has tilt column, classic instrument gauges, and stopping is with 4-wheel disc brakes, nice drilled rotors and polished calipers. Also a nice touch underneath this car when you're looking. You can see all these photos on our webpage and kind of scroll through there and see everything about this car. Interior, let's note the interior on this thing. I don't know who the builder of the car was, but I do know who the interior people were. That was Sabatini out in Pennsylvania. They did an awesome job on the inside. Nice leather work, even the trunk is detailed out very well. There is also in the trunk that comes with this car a nice hide of leather, so Lord forbid something happens on the inside, you've got an extra chunk of leather for this thing. This car also has a RideTech suspension, so it airs up nice, rides nice, got a comfortable ride. Between your LS1 motor with your vintage air, tilt wheel, power steering, power brake, just a really cool build. Great color combination, the silver with the tan leather. So take a look at our webpage. You'll see a lot of the photos that we've got there online, as well as it'll show you some of the underneath. And don't forget about that big owner's manual that is with this car. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to look us up on all of our socials.